Hey, this is Jenny Jones. I want to show my unboxing of my $1 million weekend from Noah, the CEO of AppSumo. So let's take a look. My desk is a mess here. I'm going all kind of stuff here. So what do we got here? What did he do? What did he send me here? He says, finally been working on this book for over 3 years, and I'm so excited to share it with you. Thank you for the love, support, enthusiasm you've shown me. I'm proud. I poured my heart into this book, and I really hope you love it. Oh, be epic, Noah. All right, so that's a pretty nice handwritten note. Okay, we got a pen right here. Maybe it's to sign, green pen. Maybe it's to sign a contract. Let's see here. Oh, what do we have here? $1. Maybe this is to my first $1 million. I like this touch. Okay. All right. Like I said, I got a lot of stuff going on here. Let's see what else we have here. All right. $1 million weekend for completing 48-hour challenge, creating a business and changing your life. Oh, it's already, it's a graduation certificate here. And what else do we have here? Some stickers. No ask, no get. I believe that. Just effing start. Now, not how. I like that. All right. So this is the book here. I don't want to make a mess here, but I'm going to read this book. I'm going to start reading it and kind of give you guys some inserts from it as I start to read it here. All right, so it is here, so I'm going to go ahead and start getting into it. Hopefully it's pretty good. Hey, congrats, Noah. All right, a 7-figure business in 48 hours. Okay. Hey, it's been Jenny Jones unboxing. Yeah, this is great, of the $1 million weekend. Let's get into it. So what I wanted to do was give you my initial thoughts of the $1 million weekend by Noah Kagan. I got to tell you, this has 179 ratings, 4.9 or 5-star, and for good reason, right? I've been following Noah for a while now. I've been going to his office hours and just been listening to him. And I think in this book, he shares a lot of vulnerable things that happened to him in his life. You've probably heard bits and pieces about starting Mint and being a part of the Mint startup, and also just being involved with Facebook and all that. One of the first 50 employees or something like that. But he talks about a lot of his failures too, which he really opened himself up to a lot. So I didn't know that, but I think what I can appreciate most about this $1 million weekend is some of these concepts. I didn't know what I was doing as I was starting my business. I actually did some of this, and I'm going to talk about this tonight. You're going to see this later on tonight in my my live that I'm going to do tonight for startups and agencies. He talked about a lot of the things, right? Two of the things he talked about in the start here, and I really appreciated that. He said the two biggest things, and I'll tell you this, and I'm not going to give away a lot more of the book because the book is packed with a lot of different things. And I'm not just saying that, right? Noah doesn't know me, right? He's not like we're pals. It's not like I come out to Austin, Texas, and we hang out or anything like that. Although, Noah, if you're listening, that would not be bad. Anyway, he says two things. Fear of starting, right? People have these two fears when it comes to starting a business. It's fear of starting and it's fear of asking. And I think if you overcome those two, you're well on your way. I think those two, he gave a lot of different things, but those two particular things is kind of what catapulted my business when I just got tired of asking. I got tired of being afraid to ask. And I think I was afraid to ask because my wife doesn't ask anybody for anything. She says, we don't ask anybody for anything. And I was like, well, honey, it's my business. She says, I don't care if it's your business. And I fought this with her for a long time. So I'm just letting you know. Once I just said, I sat down, I had a long talk with her. I took her on a nice vacation. I says, honey, listen, if you want to do this more often, you want to spend more time and do all of that, you got to let me ask people for business if you want to do this, and I'll reward you with trips like this. And that was the negotiating contract I had with my wife. And it kind of catapulted my business, is when I stopped using her fear to ask people for business. That's why now, once I started, if you look at some of my earlier YouTube videos, I never asked people to subscribe. I never asked them to subscribe. She says, don't ask people to subscribe. If they want to subscribe, they'll subscribe. I just started asking people to subscribe. And that's kind of how my channel grew. And that's how I would also be remiss in my asking is, I'm asking that if you do decide to pick this book up using my link in the description, I really would appreciate that. I'm only asking because I'm not an affiliate for Amazon.com yet, and I'm trying to recommend more books, but no, I don't have enough people buying from my links when I actually put those up. So Amazon is trying to qualify me for an affiliate because I want to recommend a lot more books. It's just that I can't get the affiliate links going because I don't have at least 10 people who have purchased books from me. So if you do decide to pick up the $1 Million Weekend or the audiobook, go ahead and use my link below if you're going to decide to do that. It's not going to cost you anything extra, but it's just going to be, it's just going to help me be able to recommend more books moving forward, because I read a ton of books. So again, I am asking. It's one of the things that Noah said, hey, fear of asking. So I'm asking you, if you are going to pick this up, use my link below. I really would appreciate that. Still growing, but those two things, fear of starting and fear of asking, two big things. A ton of things in this book. I'm going to show tonight some of the handouts and some of those things. I'm going to share those tonight on my live. You guys make sure you tune in. Hey, this has been Jenny Jones. I'm fired up for 2024. I want you to be as well. If you run with me, you grow with me. We're going to grow together. All right. Take care. Goodbye for now. See you later on at the live. Bye-bye.